guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simran. So I'm so sorry about my voice because I know I'm sounding a little bit off, just because I have a little bit of cough and fever as well, and not a little bit, to be very honest. मैं कल बिल्कुल भी नहीं उठ पाई थी बेड से, and आज थोड़ा सा मैं better feel कर रही हूँ. That's why I thought, you know, nothing can stop us to make this makeup look, because Diwali is here guys, and I should definitely create a makeup look for you all, and I hope you guys will like this video. This is what I have created on my face, and I hope you will like this makeup look. It's not so glam or not so heavy makeup. It's kind of a very simple, subtle glam makeup look. Yeah, without no further delay, if you want to know how I created this beautiful makeup look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start with prepping my skin because prepping is very important. तो उसके लिए मैं ये वाली green tea toner use कर रही हूँ, which is by Good Vibes, and it's a very nice toner. Guys, I'm so sorry for my voice. I know I'm sounding a little bit off, and I hope you guys will not gonna mind it, because you know I'm not well right now also, like as I'm doing voiceover for that reason only. So then I'm gonna let it dry for a minute, and then I am gonna moisturize my skin. But before that मैं अपने hair को अच्छे से clip कर लूँगी. So moisturizer के लिए I'm using this chia seed moisturizer, which is one of my favorite moisturizer. You guys know that. So इससे मैं अपने skin को अच्छे से hydrate and moisturize करूँगी, and it is a very good moisturizer. You can surely try this one. ये थोड़ा सा expensive है guys, but it's worth it. So next I'm gonna use this under eye serum, which is by Derma को. थोड़ा सा मेरा eyes ना puffy लग रहा था उस time पे, that's why. So guys, you can use whatever product you have. I'm just using whatever product I have. Guys, this video is about the look and the steps. You can use your products. So उसके बाद मैं अपने lips को moisturize के, then I am using a concealer to cancel out my darkness, like the under eye circles, a little bit of pigmentation that I have. This is like exactly my shade of concealer. That is why I'm using this concealer, because it will cancel out the darkness and provide me a very good even out skin. So next I'm gonna use this Mamaearth Glow serum foundation. This is one of my favorite foundation. ये आपको sheer coverage देता है. It's not a full coverage foundation, so that is what I want, because I don't want full coverage foundation for this look. But anyway, you can use whatever foundation you have. So इसको अच्छे से blend करूँगी using this beauty blender, and I got this one from I guess Nykaa. This is a very pretty blender. You can surely try this one. बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है. Next मैं face को contour करूँगी. So using this Nykaa stick contour, and I absolutely love this product guys. ये बहुत आसानी से blend हो जाता है. You will see in a bit. So I'm just using this concealer on the usual part, which I like to contour, like my nose and थोड़ा सा forehead पे, थोड़ा सा chin पे, my jawline, and next I'm gonna blend it out using this beauty blender. Next to set my face, I'm using this Faces Canada's compact powder. इसको मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने अंडर आइज पे एंड आइज पे लगाऊंगी, एंड अपने टी जोन पे लगाऊंगी. आई एम नॉट गोना अप्लाई द पाउडर फुल्ली ऑन माय फेस, बट अगर आपका बहुत ज़्यादा ही ऑयली स्किन है ना, तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सो नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना डू माई आईब्रोज, बिकॉज दीज आर लाइक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप फॉर मी. आई लव डूइंग माई आईब्रोज, एंड यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस क्लियरली. एंड देन आई एम गोना जस्ट ब्रश इट आउट, एंड आई एम डन विथ माई आईब्रोज. नेक्स्ट फॉर माई आईज, आई एम जस्ट गोना pick one lid shadow, because this is a one eye makeup look. I'm not gonna do so much. थोड़ा सा सिमरी shadow लूँगी, which is matching to my dress. So आप आपकी ड्रेस के accordingly choose कर सकते हो. Next I'm gonna pick this shade, like this pinkish shade. इसको मैं अपने lower lash line पे भी अप्लाई करूँगी, and थोड़ा सा अपने upper lash line पे भी अप्लाई करूँगी, to give that smoky kind of a look, and थोड़ा सा even out लगने के लिए. Next I'm gonna do my cheeks. So cheeks के लिए I'm gonna use a very pretty blush. This is the Elf Cosmetic blush palette, and it's a very pretty blush you guys. You can clearly see बहुत प्यारा look आ रहा है. Next I'm gonna use this highlighter by Nykaa. ये बहुत ज़्यादा blingy highlighter है, so festive look के लिए बहुत प्यारा लगता है. And I'm just gonna apply it on the cheekbones and nose पे थोड़ा बहुत लगाऊंगी, forehead पे, chin पे, and a little bit on my cupid's bow. And further I'm gonna use my fingers to just pat it down. Next I'm gonna curl my lashes and we are going to use a mascara because mascara is very important. I can definitely assure you, you don't need lashes if you have this mascara because ये बहुत प्यारा लगता है guys. You can clearly see the difference. कितना ज़्यादा सही mascara है ना. इसको मैं offer पे I think under 400 buy की थी. It's a very pretty mascara by Maybelline and I absolutely love this one. So next, to set my whole face, I'm gonna use the same green tea mist and I'm just gonna apply it as my makeup fixer. ये बहुत अच्छे से स्किन को हाइड्रेट करता है. उसके साथ साथ जो भी पाउडर प्रोडक्ट था मेरे स्किन पे वो अच्छे से सबके साथ लाइक फेस बेस के साथ अच्छे से मिल गया है. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना जस्ट यूज दिस कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर टू जस्ट सेट माई अंडर आइज एंड माई टी जोन ताकि मेरा फेस ऑयली ना दिखे एंड ग्लोई दिखे. सो दिस इज वन स्टेप दैट यू कैन श्योरली डू इफ यू हैव ऑयली skin and you can clearly see the glow on my cheeks and still my eyes are looking matte. So next I'm going to do my lips. So for that I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Sandy Pink. ये बहुत प्यारा सा शेड है, आप डेफिनेटली इसको ट्राई कर सकते हो. Guys, next for my lipstick I'm using this NYB liquid lipstick. ये बहुत प्यारा शेड है और इस लुक के साथ ये बहुत अच्छे से जा रहा है. So I'm using this one. You can use whatever makeup look that you have on your face and you can choose a lipstick according to that, according to your outfit. And I love my makeup, and here is a quick transition you can see after wearing this jewelry. This jewelry I got it from an offline store, so I don't have a link for it. So guys, this is all about the makeup look that I have created for my Diwali and I hope you guys will like this look. Guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So guys, I will see you in my next video and happy Diwali to everyone. Bye bye.